So today we are gonna clean this. This is the front carpet. And all we're gonna do is just pressure wash it. All it really needs. You see all the grime, dirt. Disgusting. Not too bad passenger side. But you can see just these brown staining bits. Pressure wash and that'll all come out. And as the sun's out, we can get that done. As you'll agree, that is looking so much cleaner. Now remember, these are a plastic based carpet, so they're moulded. Yes, they've got carpet on, but they're fully waterproof. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Well happy how that's come up. And here is the rust we're going to set to. Only a little bit there. A couple of spot welds, a couple there. Cut this out. As you can see, the Underseal has hidden some little gems for us to fix. A little bit more rust to sort out. And that's the other big repair done at this back end. Now, it did escalate slightly, a lot more rot than I thought was there. But anyway, it doesn't look too pretty. Now it's finished, but it's strong, it's secure, it is not going anywhere. So we just get some seam sealer, slapped all over it, get it really worked into all the nooks and crannies, because we don't want this rotting out again. Now, it is going to be behind the bumper, so I'm not too fussed on exact looks. Yes, out of sight, out of mind, but as long as it's out of sight, out of mind, and it's protected and finished, unlike it was before. So there we go, that's it all finished. Again, not a work of art, but this is protection to prolong the life of the car. So we're just getting some stone chip on, just to get that final coat of protection on. So that is, now we're at the back end of the car. We've done the middle bit, we've done this bit, we can start working down the worst side. So we've got a section to repair just on that arch there. Yes, we know we've got that monstrosity. We've also got fuel filler neck and that little marker there, which also needs doing. Yes, this is where all the brown staining has come from. There is no waterproof cover on this door whatsoever, so anything that's coming past the seal is going straight on that floor. Again, we've got it covered up. Now you might notice I'm doing it slightly different around the handles because they've still got a waterproof membrane behind the actual handle when it mounts on the door, so we're just sort of double protecting it. So let's just sort this section out. So we know the floor isn't rotten, it is still solid, it just looks bad because someone didn't do their job properly. Now, another job that's not finished, see these points here? This is where the sill has been replaced previously, and that's obviously where the heat from the weld has come through. Yeah, fine, it looks like a good solid weld, but on the other side of it, they haven't protected it. So the sill's good, but that's not. So if that rots out, it'll just get back in the sill. So it's just sort of, finer details, finishing things off. So all we're going to do is hoover all this out, get rid of the loose stuff. So it's all been cleaned out, all dry, and all we've done is got some etch primer, really soaked it on all that corrosion, and then once that's dry is get some stone chip on it to give more protection again. So onto the passenger side. Now we know this floor is solid, so we don't need to worry about it. The seals underneath aren't rotten, so I know I can just put some stone chip on here to match the other side and we can get the carpets and stuff back down. And there we go, another big coating of stone chip because I've got it on the shelf and it's very good at what it does. Now this is the underside. As you can see, it's just scabby. It's solid, it just needs loose underseal removing and finishing properly. The seal's been done this side, so again we just need to clean it off, get those bungs out of there, and then gunk that seal inside full of wax. So I can see we're making great progress. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.